Well, that was a little can of juice stop. Oh, much needed. That was a good wee refreshment there, eh?
Aye, got that t-shirt off, it feels a bit cool now.
Aye. A donut and a can of Coca-Cola. Hello.
Kawasaki Z650.
Old boy on it.
That's one of the original ones, isn't it?
I think so.
Nice wee place away.
I could stay here, like. There used to be old cars on the right here and there. They're all gone now. Like a wee scrapyard sort of thing. And that's us into Darville.
I had a pal of mine called who was a accordion stroke singer. Right? And we came down here and went for a night out and whatever else. 2 weeks later, he had got pissed, choked, fucking was sick, fucking choked on it, died.
Oh dear.
Until what happens, eh?
I couldn't tell you the last time I was drunk.
Yeah, could I?
Couldn't even tell you the last time I had a drink.
I've never seen you drunk.
I was partially in my younger days.
Oh, we all were.
Getting absolutely bluttered.
I woke up under fucking trees and thought, where the fuck am I? I was actually in camp on the main drag. Look at that.
I came home one night in just my boxer shorts and a shirt. And the wife was going nuts. God knows what happened to the rest of my gear.
You tell you got raped?
No, my mate brought me home. We were uptown drinking, eh?
No.
We kept downing all the shots. I remember one time as well, because we used to get paid on a Thursday. We got paid on the Thursday, and straight after work, we all went out and got absolutely bluttered, and I spent my entire wages on drink, eh?
You're a fucker.
Aye.
But you were popular.
Oh, it was really popular. Aye, some of the states that we would get into, like.
I've been in a few.
But you get older, eh, and you mellow out.
Oh, I could be bothered right now.
Nah, neither could I.
I had 2 bottles of beer last night. Fucking lovely. I used to 3 bottles, eh?
I would rather spend the money on my bike, or my cars, or the house. You know, I prefer to buy things that you're going to have for a long time. That's how I've got so many tools in the garage, yeah.
Absolutely.
You know, because while all my mates were out getting drunk and all that, spending all the money on the drink and getting into clubs and that, I was buying tools to fix the cars and that, yeah. Following day, they've nothing to show for it. Years and years later, I've still got all the tools to show for it, and I could sell them at the same price roughly as what I paid for them back then.
I'd love to know what my dad done with mine.
Well, you can't really ask him, can you?
Nope.
Unless you know a good clairvoyant. What day is this today? Sunday?
Yep.
This is how Sundays should be. High street's nice and quiet.
Aye.
Shops closed. Now, what a nice wee place, eh?
That is it.
Aye, well kept. I can remember when Livingston was well kept back in the 80s.
Under the Livingston Development Corporation.
Yep, the LDC.
It wasn't as big though.
No, it wasn't as big, but it was well kept. You never seen any weeds. The grass was always cut. You know,
West Lothian Council are fucking just a shower of shite.
they are. They're cocky.
It's in the car, shitbox edition.
Oh, she's got it on the back. At least she's honest about it.
Are you going right here?
Right here. Let's follow the signs for air. Kelly, watch the stars. TikTok. TikTok. It's better.
You say something there?
Aye. I've got an all singing, all dancing jiggy. It even tells you when you're indicating.
Have you got to look at it?
Right.
What did you put in your sat nav to where you were going?
Air. Beach,
Air.
I think. The beach. It's 28 degrees now. We're a bit cheeky there, but you know.
I just had to get past her.
Cheeky boy.
Here's 719.
Straight over. At a roundabout ahead, take the second exit. She's turning off anyway, so that little impatient manoeuvre you done was pointless. See, the best things come to those who wait. I waited and she turned off.
Dog in the market.
Aye, I seen it. Poor dog's holding on for dear life.
I bet he's loving it.
Busy,
Good luck to
busy.
you, yeah.
Aye, aye. So we've got a roof box melt and a roof tent melt at the front. Look at us. We're the outdoor type. Aye. So yeah, you're the outdoor type when the sun shines. Once a year, maybe twice.
Costs some money to put that on the top of the roof.
All that extra fuel that they're burning to carry that stuff.
Right.
But they're not bothered, because it's not their cars. They're on the PCP. They'll hand them back in 2 years, 3 years.
But they've still got to pay for the fucking thing.
Aye, but they're
They're
not
not allowed
there.
to do 10,000 mile. Or 8,000 mile.
No thanks. I'll loan my vehicles outright, thank you very much. They might not be the latest and greatest, but they're mine. Zero, this is 1 for a radio check. Hello, 0, this is 1 for a radio check.
That's loud and clear, that's better.
What did you do?
Aye.
Aye, what did you do though?
I don't know how I done it, but I never touched my car though, but it seemed the volume seemed to have done.
Right. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume up. I'm at the limit.
Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume up.
It'll change tone.
I know, I'm at the limit now.
Are you? Is that better?
It's bleeping. It's bleeping, that's better, aye.
Aye. So you need it up right loud when you've got your earplugs on,
You do.
just to pump that sound.
I need it up because Dave's a fucking doornail.
What's that?
I'm getting shut up.
Ah,
Nearly.
nearly. Now we've actually had quite a good summer this year, eh?
We have, aye.
I would say it was better than last year's. Certainly warmer.
Probably.
Certainly warmer.
Aye.
Get round Scooby-Doo.